fans watched our renovation video. Hot-blooded Sheng Rao. Directly get 3,000 yuan and sell it secondhand for 2 yuan. The falling apart Audi A6. Request a refurbished version. Must take the terminal. This wave of cars is no different from scrap metal now. See how we turn stone into gold. Let him be reborn from the scrap metal heap into a classic. Brothers come to life? Old rule stealing guy. Take off your alcohol field armor first. Get them. Aim. Stand up for you. The fire in there. Disassemble like this, even the engine has to sing. Having the courage is just the beginning. Action is the answer. Continue to take down all the engine chassis. Leaks everywhere. Steering machine oil leakage. The warm air pipe leaks antifreeze. Continue to dismantle. The rear bridge is also lifted steadily. Refurbishment is also essential. The engine is heavily parachuted. Just changed it. Confirm and recalibrate. Let's see what is professional. Power pump oil leakage. How many caddies do you think of this greasy oil? The product state of this intake replica is also two tails, right? Even the line of fire can burn like this. It's all sludge. Car owners save money on oil. Flying is the life of the engine. In cylinder grinding loss aid. Just take a big step. All parts first come to a set of ultrasonic cleaning. High-precision numerical control soup tank machine arrangement. Line by line. Automatic correction inside. Automatic correction of steel holes. Just started. Precision. Dial table 4, continuous steel cylinder roundness. Put in the heating box. Only you. Only you. Only you. Feel that's what you do. I don't want to... Emperor Tang Magang. Restore Yuan Dynasty Dharma. All accessories are ready. One man, one shot. Start assembling. You will too. It's kind of like All Might. Original twisted neck bolt. The smoothness of the crankshaft of the posture. Trying to be a... The overhaul must be made with the original factory. Test piston airtight type. Start chassis disassembly. Start blasting. Ensha sounds all about bark. Scrub sweep. Romantic appearance. Is it popular enough? We can keep the rhetoric. Pay attention to cost performance. Tenchi rubber sleeve. Replace all with new ones. Loose together. Perfect solution. You think that's it? We can't be vague about the prevention period. Are you satisfied with the current state of peace of mind? Squad leader, original factory data, front and rear bridge experience, total middle. The graphics will be in place. Details cannot be missed. There's no damping at all. Must wake up. Finally got an empty shot. We must do it thoroughly to prevent internal corrosion and rust in the later stage. Next, let's go to some tech language live. Exhaust pipe pickling and rust removal. Remember to wear a mask. Stainless before and after comparison. The pop-up plates start to perform. We use a BSF waterborne mucosal device. Environmentally friendly and wear resistant. Bake and prevent drying after spraying. Make sure the paint is bright enough to be used as a mirror. Thoroughly clean the entire process inside and out. Wipe back and forth. The old car is also a headache specialist. Take advantage of this to soundproof the whole car. The pointer must be given to him for sorting. Last step, chassis armor. Chassis cleaning. The line to be protected is wrapped. Spray 3 layers of anti-rust on key parts. Scratch-resistant armor coating. Completely strengthen the chassis of the old car. The interior is also ready for a new look. From the seat to the ceiling, say goodbye to wear and tear. Reload start tank. Rear bridge. Engine on board. This technique, this speed. Loading the car has to be so quick. Cherish completion. Positive film starts. Refurbished to this effect. If you were my father-in-law, can it be taken down?